Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you how to give yourself this pampering all natural spa facial at home, because you know this cold mnatoka mnenda wapi, stay at home. So the first step to this facial is cleansing, of which, you know, cleansing is just really getting the face clean and getting rid of all the makeup, which I went ahead and used this coconut oil to, you know, it helps break down the makeup and it makes it easier to take off. So after applying it, I just went ahead and wiped my face with my pocket tissue. Ugh, dirty. I did that a second time, as you can see, so that, you know, made sure like there's no remnants of dirt in any way whatsoever. So this is like step 1B, which is still cleansing. I went ahead and took my Garnier micellar water to make sure I've gotten every bit of makeup out. You can see there's still a bit more, so I went ahead and did a second round so that, you know, my face is like thoroughly clean, yeah. So step 2 of this facial is exfoliating, of which I have maize flour in this bowl right here, as you can see, and I just went ahead and mixed that with coconut oil, a teaspoonful of coconut oil. I used my fingers to mix this up so that my body temperature can, you know, melt the coconut oil and make it easier for application. Feel free to switch up the maize flour with any of your favorite exfoliators. Could be sugar, it could be coffee ground. So yeah, just rub. So after that, I just washed my face with this Dettol Even Skin Tone, and yeah. So the third step would be steaming your face, of which I just boiled some water and put it in this basin, and then I'm gonna cover my face with my towel and just sit there for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you have essential oils, you feel free to add here, but just plain water is fine. So the fourth step is masking, of which we'll be using honey and activated charcoal. Yes, girl, you need to fix that. You need to fix that. Okay. So now we'll just go ahead and mix our two ingredients. I just use a teaspoonful of activated charcoal and a teaspoonful of honey. Mix it up really good. It'll take a while, but yeah, this is the consistency you want to see it in. And just go ahead and apply it on your face, everywhere, you know, everywhere. So yeah, this procedure does take a bit of time, from mixing the two ingredients together to applying it on your face, but yeah, just take your time. And I came to find that, you know, a teaspoonful of activated charcoal and a teaspoonful of honey was enough. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and no, don't eat it, but it's not harmful either way. So yeah, and I just went ahead and washed my face. If you're using any serum, this is where you can use it, but as for me, my face really loves this oil, well, my skin entirely, but so I'm just gonna apply that and, you know, pat it onto my face and make sure it's evenly distributed. Then I'm just gonna go ahead with avocado oil because it's best for, you know, massaging. The ingrams dries out really fast, so this is what I'm just gonna use, the avocado oil. It has some really nice benefits to it, so yeah, that's what I'm using, and it's good for massaging. You know, the lubrication is quite nice. So I just gave my face a nice gentle massage, and a quick one for that matter, so that it just gets the blood flowing, and you know, it's just good for your skin. Massage your face, okay? Next, I'm gonna take my micro needle roller and just do horizontal strokes. I did 5 each, horizontal and then vertical, and just make sure to get in there. It's like you're drawing squares, so do that everywhere. Do horizontals, then verticals, or verticals then horizontal. Just do that all over your face. Or you can do this where you feel is affected. By affected, I mean, you know, the places where your skin is uneven tone or where you have scarring. So I just went ahead and added a bit more of the avocado oil and gave my face another quick massage. So after microneedling, you might feel as if your face has been stung, because really that's just happened. So to alleviate that, I just sprayed my face with some water and, you know, for hydration and to cool down the stingy effect. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye!